Hey there, welcome. In this video, we will show you how to create contact lists from CSV files in your TextPeak platform and access their reference information. You will learn how to upload contact lists from a file, view how many contacts uploaded successfully, and check in which campaigns the list is used. SMS campaigns in TextPeak work with contact lists. When you define SMS recipients in the campaign creation wizard, you need to select a list or several lists with contact details. You can create as many lists as you need. Start creating a new contact list right here, or go to the Contacts menu that gives you a lot of list management options. Here you can apply search filters, add new lists, and remove or download them. To add a new list, prepare a CSV or Excel file with contact details. Remember that you should add phone numbers in the international format. Then click Add List and select an option to import from a CSV file. Fill in the necessary data. Locate your file and start uploading. In the next step, the system will ask you to map column titles. Complete it as needed, but make sure that one of the columns contains phone numbers. Select the checkbox below if you don't want to add column titles as a separate line. Then you can start importing the contacts. The file upload may take a while, so if the new contact list appears in the contact lists table with the processing status, wait until it changes to ready. When it changes, you can use the list in your SMS campaign. The source column shows that the list is from a file. Click the information icon in Actions, and you will see how many contacts have parsed successfully, how many duplicates the list contains, and how many contacts have failed because phone numbers were invalid or not mobile. Click View Contacts to see the list of failed numbers. Proceed to the Campaigns Info tab to check the list usage in campaigns. You can also delete or download lists. Later, you will be able to add individual contacts to your contact lists. See details about it in the guide by the link. You can also create contact segments from the existing contact lists. Please refer to this guide for more information. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.